Welcome back to Kaleem Motors, your trusted destination for the latest luxury vehicles, heavy machines, and next-generation motorhomes from around the world. If you love power, comfort, and futuristic design all rolled into one, then you're in the right place. Today's video is something truly special, because we're talking about a vehicle that completely redefines road travel, luxury living, and family comfort. Finally unveiled, this is the 2026 Kenworth T-2000 Motorhome, a rolling luxury mansion on wheels and one of the most impressive VIP motorhomes ever created. The 2026 Kenworth T-2000 Motorhome is built on Kenworth's legendary heavy-duty platform, known globally for durability, strength, and reliability. But this is not just a truck anymore, this is a full-scale luxury home designed for families, VIP travel, long road adventures, and elite lifestyle lovers. From the outside, the T-2000 looks bold, aggressive, and futuristic, with a commanding road presence that instantly grabs attention. Its aerodynamic design, massive grille, sleek LED lighting, and premium paint finish make it look like a luxury yacht transformed into a road-going giant. Step inside, and the experience completely changes the meaning of motorhome living. The interior of the 2026 Kenworth T-2000 Motorhome feels more like a five-star hotel suite than a vehicle. High-quality leather seating, soft ambient lighting, premium wood and metallic accents, and ultra-spacious layout make this motorhome perfect for families who want comfort without compromise. Every inch is designed to feel open, elegant, and relaxing, even during long journeys. The living area is one of the biggest highlights. It offers a large lounge with plush sofas, a luxury entertainment system, a massive smart TV, surround sound speakers, and smart controls for lighting, climate, and blinds. Whether you're traveling with family or hosting VIP guests, this space feels premium and welcoming. There's plenty of room for kids to relax, adults to unwind, and everyone to enjoy the ride in complete comfort. The kitchen inside the T-2000 Motorhome is fully equipped and beautifully designed. You get modern appliances, a refrigerator, microwave, induction cooktop, storage cabinets, and a stylish countertop that feels just like a luxury apartment. This makes it ideal for family trips where you can cook fresh meals on the go, saving costs while enjoying home-style comfort anywhere in the world. When it comes to sleeping arrangements, the 2026 Kenworth T-2000 truly shines. The master bedroom is spacious, private, and luxurious, featuring a king-size bed, premium mattress, storage wardrobes, and a calm, hotel-like ambiance. Additional sleeping areas are available for children or guests, making it a perfect family-friendly motorhome for long vacations or cross-country travel. The bathroom setup is equally impressive. You get a full luxury bathroom with a modern shower, premium fittings, a stylish vanity, and top-quality materials. Everything feels solid, clean, and built for long-term use, which is exactly what you expect from a high-end Kenworth motorhome. Under the hood, the 2026 Kenworth T-2000 Motorhome delivers serious power. It's equipped with a heavy-duty diesel engine designed for smooth long-distance cruising, even with its massive size. Advanced suspension, intelligent braking systems, and driver assist technologies ensure that driving this luxury beast feels stable, controlled, and surprisingly comfortable. Despite its size, Kenworth's engineering makes it easy to handle on highways and long routes. Safety is another major strength. The T-2000 Motorhome comes loaded with advanced safety features, including collision warning systems, lane assistance, adaptive cruise control, multiple cameras, and reinforced structural protection. This makes it a reliable and secure choice for families traveling together. What truly sets the 2026 Kenworth T-2000 Motorhome apart is its VIP lifestyle appeal. This is not just a vehicle, it's freedom, luxury, and independence combined. Whether you're exploring scenic highways, attending exclusive events, or enjoying private family time on the road, this motorhome delivers an unmatched experience. So if you're looking for the perfect family-friendly luxury VIP motorhome that offers power, elegance, comfort, and world-class engineering, the 2026 Kenworth T-2000 Motorhome stands at the very top. It's bold, it's beautiful, and it's built for those who refuse to compromise. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2026 Kenworth T-2000 Motorhome, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Kaleem Motors, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest luxury vehicle reviews. Let us know in the comments, would you take this rolling luxury mansion on a family road trip?